In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize images before uploading them to your website. When you add images to a page, it's not just about how they look. The way you prepare those images can affect page speed, search visibility, and accessibility. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple process you can follow before and during upload to make sure your images are working for your site, not against it. First, compress your images before uploading them, and try to keep each file under 500 kilobytes. This is important because large image files can slow down your website, especially on mobile devices or slower internet connections. A compressed image still looks good to visitors, but it loads much faster, which creates a better user experience overall. Before uploading, check the file size and reduce it if needed using your preferred image compression method. The goal here is to balance quality and performance, so the image remains clear without being unnecessarily heavy. Next, rename your raw image files before uploading them. Avoid leaving file names as something generic like a random string of numbers or a camera-generated label. Instead, use clear, descriptive names that reflect what's actually in the image. For example, a file name, like Modern Sofa Living Room JPG, is much more useful than a default file name. This helps keep your media library organized, and it can also support your site's SEO by giving search engines more context about the image. Try to use simple words, separate them with hyphens, and make the name specific to the content shown. Once the image has been uploaded and placed into an image block, open the image block settings by clicking the gear icon. In that settings panel, find the alt text field and fill it out with a keyword-rich description of the image. Alt text plays an important role in accessibility because it helps screen readers describe the image to users who may not be able to see it. It also gives search engines more information about the content of the image. When writing alt text, be descriptive and natural. Focus on what is actually shown in the